Hi, I'm John. This is Mary.
Hi. We're here to invite you to come and kiss Hank's ass with us.
Excuse me, what are you guys talking about? Who's Hank and why would I want to kiss his ass?
If you kiss Hank's ass, he'll give you $1 million.
And if you don't, he'll kick the shit out of you.
What, is this some sort of mob shakedown?
No, Hank is a billionaire philanthropist.
Hank built this town.
Well, Hank owns this town, and he can do whatever he wants. What he wants to do is give you $1 million, but he can't until you kiss his ass.
That doesn't make any sense. Why?
Who are you to question Hank's gift? Don't you want $1 million? Isn't it worth a little kiss on the ass?
Maybe, if it's legit, but...
Then come, kiss Hank's ass with us.
Do you kiss Hank's ass often?
Oh, yes. All the time.
And has he given you $1 million?
No, you don't actually get the money until you leave town.
So why don't you just leave town?
Oh, you can't leave town until Hank tells you to, or you don't get the money.
And he'll kick the shit out of you.
Do you know anyone who's kissed Hank's ass, left town, and got the $1 million?
My mother, she kissed Hank's ass for years. She left town last year, and I'm sure she got the money.
Have you talked to her since then?
Of course not. Hank doesn't allow it.
So what makes you think he'll actually give you the money if you've never talked to anyone who got the money?
Well, he gives you a little bit before you leave. Maybe you'll get a raise.
Maybe you'll win a small lotto.
You might find a $20 bill on the street.
What's that got to do with Hank?
Hank has certain connections.
I'm sorry, but this sounds like some sort of bizarre con game.
But it's $1 million. Can you really take that risk? And remember, if you don't kiss his ass, he'll kick the shit out of you.
Maybe if I could see Hank, talk to him, get the details straight from him?
No one sees Hank. No one talks to Hank.
Then how do you kiss his ass?
Sometimes we just think of his ass and blow him a kiss. Other times we kiss Carl's ass and he passes it along.
Who's Carl?
A friend of ours. He's the one who taught us about kissing Hank's ass. All we had to do was take him out to dinner a few times.
And you just took his word for it when he said there was a Hank? That Hank wanted you to kiss his ass and that Hank would reward you?
No. Carl's got a letter that Hank gave him years ago. Explains the whole thing. See for yourself.
Item 1. Kiss Hank's ass and he'll give you $1 million when you leave town.
Item 2. Use alcohol in moderation.
Item 3. Kick the shit out of people who are not like you.
Item 4. Eat right.
Item 5. Hank dictated this list himself.
Item 6. The moon is made of green cheese.
Item 7. Everything Hank says is right.
Item 8. Wash your hands after going to the bathroom.
Item 9. Don't use alcohol.
Item 10. Eat your wieners in buns, no condiments.
Item 11. Kiss Hank's ass or he'll kick the shit out of you.
This appears to be written on Carl's letterhead.
Hank didn't have any paper.
I have a hunch that if we checked, we'd find this is Carl's handwriting.
Yes, Hank dictated that letter himself.
I thought you said no one gets to see Hank.
Not now, but years ago. Hank would talk to some people.
I thought you said he was a philanthropist. What kind of philanthropist runs around kicking the shit out of people just because they're different?
It's what Hank would want. And Hank is always right.
How do you figure that?
Item 7 says everything Hank says is right. That's good enough for me.
Maybe your friend Carl made the whole thing up.
No way. Look, item 5 says Hank dictated this list himself. Anyway, item 2 says use alcohol in moderation. Item 4 says eat right. And item 8 says wash your hands after going to the bathroom. Everybody knows those are right, so the rest must be true too.
But 9 says don't use alcohol, which doesn't quite go with item 2. And 6 says the moon is made of green cheese, which is just plain wrong.
There's no contradiction between 9 and 2. 9 just clarifies 2. And as for the moon, you've never been there, so you can't say it's not cheese.
Scientists have pretty firmly established that the moon is made of rock.
But they don't know if the rock came from the Earth or outer space, so it just as easily could be green cheese.
I'm not really an expert, but I think the theory that the moon was somehow captured by the Earth has been discounted. Besides, not knowing where the rock came from doesn't mean it's made of cheese.
Ha! You just admit it. Scientists make mistakes, but we know that Hank is always right.
We do?
Of course we do. Item 7 says so.
You're saying Hank's always right because the list says so. So the list is right because Hank dictated it. And we know that Hank dictated it because the list says so. That's circular logic, no different than saying Hank's right because he says he's right.
Now you're starting to get it.
And it's so rewarding to see someone come around to Hank's way of thinking.
But, never mind. What's the deal with wieners?
Wieners in buns, no condiments. It's Hank's way. Anything else is wrong.
What if I don't have a bun?
No bun, no wiener.
A wiener without a bun is wrong.
No relish, no mustard?
Must you use such language?
Condiments of any kind are wrong.
So a big pile of sauerkraut with chopped up wieners in it would be out of the question?
Not listening to this.
That's disgusting! Only some sort of evil deviant would eat something like that.
It's good, I eat it all the time!
If I had known you were one of those, I wouldn't have wasted my time.
When Hank kicks the shit out of you, I'll be there counting my money and laughing.
I'll kiss Hank's ass for you. You bunless, cut-wienered crowd eater!
Come on.
Looking back on the track for a little greenback. Got to find just the kind of losing my mind.